how women got so confused about what to eat is because we are a society that focuses on the outside and not on the inside. And that is a big, big, big moment for a woman to stand in front of the mirror and look at herself naked, right? Naked, and go in. That's hard. That's hard to do that. We pick on all the things all the time. We pick, and it's very confusing. So then when we do go to eat something, we're like, oh, how much fat's in that, or how much sugar is in that, or how much carbohydrates in that, or how much fucking green stuff is in that, or whatever is in the green stuff, or how much carotene's in a carrot, and all that. It's very confusing. So what I love to do is shine a light on them and acknowledge where they're at first. And slowly and with a lot of love is facilitate and to guide them internally, because this heart just pumps away without me knowing. And my liver and my kidneys just do their job without me knowing. Everything just happens without me knowing. And when we tune in to the internal, so when I'm guiding them on how to eat and what to eat and taking the confusion out of all the diets or the 12-week plans or the 6-week plans or the superfoods or the smoothie drinkers or the vegans or the vegans. It's a vegan. Do you know what a vegan is? It's a vegan that eats eggs. It's a vegan, it's a dairy, it's this and this, and just take it all away and just stand there with them and go, you know what do you love to eat? Well, I love to eat, they'll say something to me, it'll be like, what is it, satay chicken. I love to eat satay chicken, but I know when I eat that satay chicken and when I go to the Asian store and I buy it and it's in this container, it's like an oil slick on top, I always feel shit afterwards. If you could just teach me how to make that sauce, Chef Cynthia, I'll be stoked. So then I teach them how to actually understand the ingredients and fall in love with it and whip it up. And then when they eat it, they're like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then they say, what about the fat in there? And then we've got to bring them back into their bodies and go, you know what? It's beautiful whole food. And it has an ability and it's designed to do something in your body that's quite extraordinary. And it's a beautiful thing. And if you can just stay there, and stop confusing it, something extraordinary will happen to you. And they're like, really? And I'm like, yes, you will have brighter skin. You will have incredible amount of energy. You will feel lighter. And then you'll keep going and watch what happens. All of the people that buy my classes and all of the people that I have the privilege and stand in front of all message me going, I can't believe how much weight I've lost. I can't believe how much energy I have. I can't believe this tastes so good. And the confusion's gone. And that's enough. And it's a beautiful thing to watch. It makes my heart sing.